You've seen creators go live with effects, music, and guests, but all from their phone. So how do they unlock it? Here's how to start your first TikTok live and make it look clean even if you've never gone live before. So first, open your TikTok. You want to type the plus button centered on the bottom of your screen on the app itself. Then you'll see the option to go live. Simply just type and tap the live option. Then you'll see if you don't have 1,000 followers but don't see the live option, it may be because the another app is playing or recording audio. But if you don't see this option, and because you don't have a 1,000 followers, so before you can go live on your mobile, you need to have 1,000 followers. Then you need to enter your live stream title. Simply just name and describe your live stream as you like it to appear to others. And you can keep it simple or use trending hashtags to attract more viewers. And lastly, just tap and tap go live. So you'll find this at the bottom of your screen. After a 3-second countdown, your live stream will begin. And you can add masks and so on to your stream as far as you go in your live stream. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.